I'm Jeff, and you're wondering what to do when Microsoft Word disappears. Now, if Microsoft Word disappears, you may be thinking of one of a few things. First off, you might just not see it on the screen. If you don't, first thing you can do is look down here on your taskbar. It's right there in most places. On Windows, you might have moved your taskbar. Just look for it, and of course you can use the Finder in Mac. Click it, and there's your window. You got Microsoft Word. If it's not the actual window you're looking for, but the actual program itself, and you can't find the icon in your desktop, it might have just been, disappeared, deleted some point accidentally. It's all right. You can always go into the actual Microsoft Office program files if you can find it. It's usually somewhere in Program Files is under Windows, and if you go into Microsoft Office, Office 11, in my case, you can see that right here I have the program itself, .exe. That means it's an executable file. That's the program itself. All I have to do is right-click and copy it, and then right-click right on the desktop and paste a shortcut. I've got my shortcut back. Now, if you don't even see winword.exe right here, the program itself, that means that somehow the program's gone. You're going to have to reinstall it. I'm Jeff, and this is what to do when Microsoft Word disappears.